Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. This is a highly anticipated video. This is my Boxyluxe unboxing video. Here's the box this month. It is very large and in charge. I don't know how much it weighs. I don't know where to find the information on the box. I'm not that talented. I looked everywhere and I can't find the weight. But this is Boxyluxe, so this is every 3 months. You can be subscribed to Boxycharm. You will not get the original small box, but you will be given the Boxyluxe, which retails for $49.99, and it contains like 7 to 11 full-size luxury products worth over $300, I think, is the normal value. It's worth over $300 and you pay $50. If you're new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription service where you get 4 to 6 full-size luxury products in your box. Boxycharm charges on the first day of the month. You can cancel anytime. And if you would like, you can sign up for Boxyluxe, which is every 3 months. So 4 times a year. It comes in the spring, fall, summer, and winter. No, you know what I mean. Okay. I'm flustered because I'm like so excited to open this box. You don't even understand. So let's get to unboxing. Here we go. Here is the card. It's Boxycharm. It says Getaway. And I'm going to open this in the order that it is on the card. So it says tag hashtag Boxyluxe Getaway for a chance to be featured. So I'm actually filming this video and I'm going to enter that contest to see if I will win. So let's go ahead and get started and I will tell you the prices of all of these. So first thing in the box I got is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette. It says meet your new everyday staple. The 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3, formulated with Amazonian clay, delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look, and this retails for $45. Let's open it up. So cute. It's like a little book. We open her up and looks like this with double mirrors on the sides, and you've got 2 blush, 2 highlights, and 2 bronzers. So that is handy, and it's like a magnetic closure. I'm excited about that. I love face palettes, although I don't need any more. Next, we have the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence, infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. This retails for $23. Let's open it up. So it looks like this, super cute. Let's check the consistency. So it looks very, very watery. But when rubbed in, it starts to tighten up. So I can see how this might work. Can't wait to give that a try. I love Tarte products. Okay, so the next thing in the box, I'm really excited about this, is the new Dominique Cosmetics. We've got the Lemonade Lip Gloss. I got the Lemonade one, and that's exciting because I already have the peach tea one, and I saw a lot of people getting the peach tea one in theirs, and I was like, man, I hope I don't get the peach tea. So it looks like this. Strawberry lemonade. Let's smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells like vanilla cupcakes. Let's put it on. I'm just going to do it. I love her glosses. So I think it's a sheer formula, and this retails for $17. We still have a lot of products left to go. The next thing in the box that's featured is from PYT. They are a hair care product company. They have really great, awesome hair care products. I can't believe this is in the box. What is it? Oh my God. You guys, it is a travel blow dryer with a diffuser. Like, how handy is this when you go traveling? You don't want to use those, you know, the ones that are on the wall in the hotels. Those are terrible. So this is very travel friendly, and PYT, very luxury brand. It's a mini turbo on the go dryer. Your new PYT Mini Turbo On The Go dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away. This retails for $85. So you've already got your money's worth, almost double, by just getting this hair dryer in here. I'm so excited about that. So the next thing in the box we have is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Powered by a biotic balancing complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. And this retails for $35. I'm excited about this. It's a biotic balancing complex. I love Dr. Brandt products. So far, this box is impressing me. I'm excited. Wow. Next thing in the box, we've got the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This Farmacy Honey Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA, BHA gentle flower acids blends, you'll get a youthful-looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. And this retails for $58. Let's open it up. I have to. I actually was going to buy this during the Sephora VIB sale, and I just couldn't justify it. And it's so ironic that I got it in the box. A lot of YouTubers swear by this, that it's so amazing. So it's great that we got this in the box. And we're not even halfway done yet. Okay, the next thing in the box is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone-free, and safe for colored and chemically treated hair, and this retails for $29, and you get a huge full size of this. So this is like a texturizer, styling, and finishing spray. I love Living Proof products. I've heard really great things about them. I use them, so I'm excited. I love texturizer sprays. Just when I straighten my hair and it's like really, really limp, I'll spray some in, tousle it around, and it'll be bouncy, more lively, and yeah, I just can't wait for that, to try that. This next thing I'm kind of concerned about. This is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind. This retails for $25. I'm not sure what to do with this. Let's open her up. So there's the mascara. Looks like a really good wand. It looks like a really nice wand, but I'm unsure what to do with this curler. It says flip down to curl. Yeah, I'm not really... Okay, flip down to curl. Oh, I see. So it comes with a little handy thing like this, and you're supposed to curl your lashes with it like that. So you pull this lever down, and it clamps shut to curl your lashes. So it's like a 2-in-1. Very cool. The next and last thing in the box is this Skin&Co Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice, enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH, tightening pores, and setting makeup. And this retails for $35. Why not give it a try and let you know how the mister is? Ooh, so it's a fine mist, and it smells kind of like rosemary and some herbs. It smells really light and fresh and just amazing. So did that do anything? I don't know. Does it look like it did anything? So overall, I'm so happy with this box. I get Boxyluxe and Boxycharm. That's why I didn't get the smaller box. But Overall, this box is worth over $317. That is a huge savings, if you ask me. Now, here's the kicker for this video. I will be doing a mini giveaway in this video. All you have to do are follow the rules, which are going to be listed down in the description box below. Good luck to everyone that entered. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know, do you want me to do these Boxycharm unboxings every month and then the Boxyluxe every 3 months? Let me know. Do you have Boxycharm? Are you wanting to sign up for Boxycharm? I'll link it down below. Until then, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.